Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Roblox not opening on PC 2023. Are you looking for a quick guide on how to fix Roblox if it's not opening on your PC? Stay tuned because this one's for you. Right, so we have a few solutions that we have. First one is run as administrator. So it's pretty simple. Just right click on the Roblox icon on your desktop and just run as administrator. Number two, delete Roblox app data folder. So open File Explorer and then go to the following directory. If you've installed Roblox on a different directory, then head over there. So head to this directory. So usernames, your username, app data, and then local. And then search for Roblox folder and double click in to open. Make sure to copy paste all files of this app data as a backup. Once done, select the app folder and press Shift Delete keys to permanently delete it. So and then reboot your computer. That should work. Number three, ensure proxy server if LAN is disabled. All right, so click on Start. Internet options, go to connections, click on LAN settings, and then under the proxy server, use a proxy server for your LAN. Just uncheck the box to turn it off. Number four, flush your DNS server. Number five, check Roblox server status. So you just check if it's up, because sometimes Roblox the servers go down for maintenance or something. And six, power cycle your router. So just turn it off, turn it back on again so that it refreshes. And then number seven, just add another browser. Try another browser. If Chrome is not working, maybe Safari, maybe Firefox, whatever. And number eight, update your graphic drivers. So that's pretty self-explanatory. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.